So we've narrowed the problem down to the BCM and keys. So we're going to go grab a new BCM now. Just repairing the keys for the new module. I'll show you guys in a sec. So all we need is this part of the key to match the new car. Then this module will change to the one that comes with the new BCM, and we'll show you how to plug that in, and then yeah, the car should run, or it won't, and the problem will be deeper. More money. So right now we spent $300 on the car, $80 on the fuel pump. I think that's it so far. $100 on this BCM this morning.
$480.
So $480 deep so far, which is still a pretty good position for a manual VR Buick. Alright, see you soon. No steering wheel.
Huh?
And why is the BCM different?
Is it different?
Yeah. Oh, let's see what happens.
What the bro?
It's like, that looks more like a fucking...
Bro, they're the right plugs? Oh man, we got the wrong one.
This has been tampered with.
Didn't even go in there, does it?
No.
No, it's not the right one, bro.
How? There's the BCM.
Hey?
BCM's up here. I don't know. This must be the alternator, because BCM's up there.
No, the mobilizer.
Immobilize, that's what I'm saying. So,
Yeah.
so with that unplugged, the thing's off.
I haven't put the battery in.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to change the BCM?
Yeah. I'll just see.
Will it still need an immobilizer if we've changed the BCM?
I'm not sure. It depends if the mobilizer's wired up properly or not. If it is, then we're either going to have to cut the immobilizer out.
Key off.
Yep.
Where's that screw? Yeah. You do all the wires? That little one as well?
That's out of this.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Ah, for sake.
So the new BCM's in. We have this. That's wired. Looks like into the main relay. I'm assuming this is some sort of immobilizer. So between these wires and this light, don't know, put a new battery in.
Alright, band's hooked up. Don't start it straight away.
see what happens.
Put the ignition on and then leave it for a sec. Oh no! No!
Dash. So this red light's not on at all now.
Hey?
This red light's not on at all now. I don't know if that means that it's connected or...
I need to do a bit more researching, eh?
Sorry, bro.
No, you're good. That's my fault.
Immobilizers, bro. It's got to be what that little box is. It's an aftermarket immobilizer.
Yeah,
or
it is,
something.
bro.
Oh well. I do not know. This light's gone off. This light's gone off. Well, it's time to phone a friend, I think. Check back in. Alright, so we phoned a friend. 90% sure, 100% sure it's an immobilizer. I can see where they've spliced in to the body control module wires here. So my experience with immobilizers is if I cut this completely out, rejoin these wires, we should be good. But I did ring a friend just to confirm, and he said the same thing. So hopefully it's as straightforward as maybe just removing these purple wires, because that's still joined. I'll just grab wire cutters, because I think if they're all just joined like that, we should be able to just snip them all. Find out where these are tapped into.
It's the plan, Stan.
Get the VR running, hopefully.
Looking.
Do
you need me to do it?
I don't know right now, because they're all soldered properly.
Yeah, bro, it's a proper job.
I should be able to just cut this.
Get up.
Immobilizer, there is just wire going to wire everywhere.
How are you looking?
Maybe chuck that battery on and give it a try. There's still one wire going up the back here, but I think it's just the power wire.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll start it up and then connect it up.
So a quick update on where we're at. We've changed the BCM, no success. We figured out it had a aftermarket immobilizer in it. I've cut out and rejoined the wires that had been cut to make the immobilizer do immobilization. Whatever, you know what I'm saying. We then tried is to pair the new BCM with the ECU by leaving the ignition on for 45 minutes. Obviously, we should have probably just plugged the other BCM back in, used the old key, and tried that once the immobilizer was cut out. But hey, it is what it is. So if it doesn't work, this BCM, we'll try the other BCM. We will probably try do the 45-minute ignition on thing and go from there. If that doesn't work, we'll maybe crank angle sensor. Maybe this whole time it's crank angle, but we'll see. Alright, stay tuned.